Tonight, we take you to a place where the future is not just imagined, it's being built right now at a scale that's hard to comprehend. We're talking about China, a nation rewriting the rules of technology. What you're about to see may sound like science fiction, but in China's cities, it's just another day. This isn't about a new gadget or a faster computer, it's a full-scale technological revolution. The speed and scale are unlike anything the world has seen. We sent our team to investigate stories that rarely make Western headlines. We found a country leaping decades ahead. Imagine your coffee delivered by drone, your taxi with no driver, and a city that manages itself with AI. This is the reality in China's megacities. From Shanghai to Shenzhen, a new digital infrastructure connects everything and everyone. The ambition is staggering, and it's all happening at once. This isn't a story about the distant future, it's happening now. While the West debates AI, China is deploying it on a massive scale. Entire cities are being built around AI and robotics, not as experiments, but as fully functional societies. The changes touch every aspect of daily life, from shopping to travel to education. The dragon has awakened, and its roar is digital. China is now setting the pace in many areas, not just catching up. The government has made technological supremacy a national priority, pouring billions into R&D. Innovation isn't just encouraged, it's demanded. The result, a nation that's inspiring, and for some, unsettling. The world is being reshaped by this surge, with China at the epicenter. What we discovered is a glimpse into a future arriving faster than anyone expected, and it's a future the world can't afford to ignore. Why don't we hear more about this? Western headlines are dominated by politics and trade disputes, drowning out China's tech transformation. The story doesn't fit neatly into the usual narrative of competition. In the West, China is still seen as the world's factory, not as an innovation powerhouse, but that view is outdated. China is now designing and building its own technology ecosystems, sometimes surpassing Silicon Valley. The story of Made in China is becoming Designed in China. This lack of coverage creates a dangerous blind spot. While we focus on our own debates, a technological giant is rising. The stories are there, in technical journals, industry reports, and Chinese social media, but rarely break into Western, mainstream consciousness. It's as if there's a great wall of silence around these developments. This information gap leaves us unprepared for the consequences of China's rapid progress. It's not just about who has the best smartphone, it's about who sets the standards for AI, robotics, and the infrastructure of future cities. By not paying attention, we risk being left behind. We could wake up to a world fundamentally reshaped, without realizing it was happening. The story of China's tech boom is one we ignore at our own peril. The future is being written, and we need to start reading. Step onto the streets of Shenzhen. The future isn't coming, it's here. Drones buzz overhead, delivering packages, meals, and medical supplies. Millions of deliveries happen this way every day, seamlessly woven into city life. On the streets, driverless robo-taxis are a common sight, summoned with an app and navigating traffic with ease. The city's infrastructure is smart. Traffic lights talk to cars, sensors monitor air quality, and a central AI keeps everything running smoothly. It's not about one cool gadget, it's an entire ecosystem working together. You can leave your apartment, take a self-driving car, pay for your train ticket with a glance, and never touch your wallet. This level of convenience is becoming the baseline expectation. Technologies that take years to catch on in the West are adopted by millions in China in months. A tech-savvy population and a government pushing transformation fuel this rapid change. The result, a living laboratory for the future of urban life. Here, we see both the promise and the potential pitfalls of a world run by AI and robots. China's cities are being fundamentally reimagined. The pace is breathtaking. The rest of the world is watching and learning. The question is, how fast can we catch up? In China, the future is already routine. The real magic is in the cars themselves, intelligent robots on wheels. Many new electric vehicles in China come with AI brains that learn, anticipate, and communicate with the city's infrastructure. The car becomes an active participant in traffic, not just a passive object. Features like tank turns, sideways parking, and even dancing to music showcase the control these platforms have. Some cars are even being tested with magnetic levitation, floating above the road for a frictionless ride. While not yet mainstream, The ambition is clear: reinvent what a car can be. Self-parking, autonomous navigation, and advanced driver assistance are now standard on many Chinese cars. The AI handles most driving, letting passengers relax or work. This rapid innovation is putting pressure on automakers worldwide. China is no longer following trends, it's setting them. The automotive world is being redefined, one smart car at a time. The future of driving is being written in China's streets, and the rest of the world is taking notice. China's ambition extends beyond city streets. It's revolutionizing travel between cities. The Shanghai maglev train levitates above the track, reaching 267 miles per hour, connecting airport to downtown in just over 7 minutes. New maglevs are being tested at over 370 miles per hour. Beijing to Shanghai in 2.5 hours, faster than flying. This technology could reshape domestic travel, making the country feel smaller and more connected. China already has the world's largest high-speed rail network. Maglev is the next leap. It's not just about speed, it's about efficiency and sustainability, reducing reliance on flights and fossil fuels. Massive infrastructure investments are being made with a long-term vision. Charging technology for electric vehicles is also advancing rapidly. 250 miles of range in 10 minutes at public stations. This eliminates range anxiety and accelerates EV adoption. China is making electric vehicles practical for everyone. The transition away from combustion engines is happening on a massive scale. The future of travel is being built fast. China's high-speed backbone is setting a new global standard. The world is watching and racing to keep up. China's tech revolution starts early, in the classroom. Children learn AI, coding, and robotics as core subjects. Standardized AI textbooks are used from elementary through high school. AI tutors personalize learning, adapting to each student's pace and needs. Teachers use these systems to focus on mentorship and one-on-one attention. The goal: create digital natives who are creators, not just consumers, of technology. China is producing a huge number of STEM graduates, fueling rapid innovation. This educational push is the backbone of China's tech strategy. It's an investment in minds, building the intellectual infrastructure for future leadership. The results are already visible in the country's booming tech sector. China isn't just building smart cities, it's building a smart population. Robots aren't just in classrooms, they're on job sites and in warehouses. Machines lay bricks, weld steel, and work around the clock, speeding up construction and improving safety. Automation extends to airports, where facial recognition streamlines check-in and boarding. Your face becomes your boarding pass, linked to a national database for seamless travel. But this efficiency comes with questions about privacy and surveillance. Cameras with facial recognition are everywhere, tracking everything from crime to jaywalking. For many, this level of monitoring is deeply concerning. In logistics, thousands of robots sort and move packages in vast, dark warehouses. These dark factories operate non-stop, enabling near-instant delivery for online shoppers. The robotic workforce is the invisible engine behind China's e-commerce explosion. Machines are transforming how cities are built, how goods move, and how people live. The pace is relentless. The world is watching China's silent army of machines. Beyond factory robots, China is rapidly advancing humanoid robots. Once clumsy lab experiments, these machines now walk, run, and perform complex tasks. Humanoids are being tested as companions for the elderly, store assistants, and factory workers. Costs are dropping. Soon, a humanoid robot could cost as much as a new car. Robot dogs, famous online, are now common for industrial inspections and public safety patrols. Their ability to navigate rough terrain makes them invaluable. The world is built for humans, so robots that mimic us fit right in. The vision: robots working alongside people, taking on dull or dangerous jobs. This future is arriving fast in China. The line between science fiction and reality is blurring. China's tech revolution is transforming healthcare and agriculture. AI reads medical scans with superhuman accuracy, helping doctors diagnose faster and more precisely. Remote surgery lets top surgeons operate on patients hundreds of miles away using robotic arms. Robot doctors handle basic checkups, freeing up human doctors for complex cases. On farms, drones monitor crops, and autonomous tractors and harvesters work the fields. Precision agriculture boosts yields and reduces waste. This is the largest, fastest tech rollout in history, touching every sector at once. The questions are huge. Are we ready for a world of AI doctors and robo-taxis? What does it mean to live in a world of total convenience? and total surveillance. China is building that world now. The rest of us must decide how to respond.